question for history. Team World. The Battle of Tabuk took place in Rajab. Rajab was the month, but what year? Was it 3 AH, 9 AH, 13 AH, or was it before Hijri altogether? Start the clock, please. You can see they're speaking amongst each other. They're working out what it is.
Number 2.
You say it's number 2.
Yeah.
9 AH. It was a famous battle of Tabuk. Do you remember anything about this battle? Any of you?
The Battle of Tabuk is the battle, we talked about it before that.
Yes, yes, we talked about it.
The battle where 3 Sahabis didn't go to.
Yes.
And so when the Prophet ﷺ came back, he was ordered not to talk to them until they repent for their sin.
All right, excellent. Let's check this answer. 9 AH is the right answer. The famous Battle of Tabuk. The points is now. How do you think you're doing, Egypt?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. 24. World. How about you?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. 24 again. Bear support for both teams. Allahu Akbar, you're doing very well. Allahu Akbar. Okay.